हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू योर चैनल आर्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिका। सो आज का जो वीडियो है वो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। सो 3 तो मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, एक बार जाके देख लो। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड दिस इज देयर आर सम इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट, सो डोंट मिस इट। सो लेट्स बिगिन। So here it is, question number 4, worksheet 3. Definitely remember all of you. This is worksheet 3, question number 4. So that it is told that construct a triangle PQR. Okay, PQ equals to 7.5 centimeter that I have drawn already. RPQ equals to 45 degree and RQP equals to 45 degree. Both are same angle. Okay, just one thing I have to check. Shall I find the remaining angle or the given information is enough for us? Let us check. Angle P and angle Q, and P point means P vertex and Q vertex is there, so enough for us. So this is enough for us. Now, no need to find the remaining angle. Okay, by angle sum property. Okay, so now what to do? We have to draw a ray. You all know that already. I have told this. All the sum I have done like this, yes or no? Here it is, ray. Now I have to cut 7.5 centimeter. Using compass, I have to take this measure. So let me cut it. Can you see that? This is PQ. Here it is. On my compass also it is written 7.5. So here it is. Now this is PQ. So I am going to write P and Q 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now at the point P, I have to draw 45 degree angle. So as you know how to construct 45 degree angle, it can be constructed using compass. No. So I have to do like this. So let us change the color and construct it so that you all can understand. I am going to take red color. So what to do? Simply you have to cut it. I am not going to explain how to construct 90 degree angle because you all know how to construct 90 degree angle. Simply I have to cut first, then again I have to cut. You will get this is 60 degree. From this point, no, what to do? Cut it. Okay, now from there where it is intersect, again I have to cut it. Now this is our 90 degree angle, so I am going to join them by dotted line because 90 degree is not required. Which one it is required? That is 45 degree angle. So that's why I am going to do it by dotted line, because it is not required for us. Here it is. This is 90 degree, but we need to draw 45 degree angle. So now we have to bisect this angle. So this is the point intersecting, and here it is. So now draw 45 degree angle. Put the center of the compass here and cut it. And similarly at the opposite side is there. This side, put the compass properly, cut it. Now this is 45 degree angle. Now I am going to join by line. Understood now? Because I need to draw 45 degree angle. So join it. And if you can see this way you cannot join. This is the not right way to join. This is the way to join them. Okay, got it? Now at the point Q again I have to draw what? 90 degree angle. So draw it, and definitely it is inside. It's opposite side. Q left side you have to draw. Done. Then taking same radius, I have to cut this one. Again taking same radius. Again I have to cut. Here it is, and I made a mistake. Can you see? I have to extend this one. So be careful. That's why it is better to draw always bigger arc. Here it is. Okay. So now from this point I have to cut and draw 90-degree angle. But 90-degree I am not going to join. Here it is. I have to draw 90-degree angle. Same method, same process I am going to follow. Dotted line now I have to join. Because why dotted line? Because you all know this is not required here. I have to draw here 45-degree angle. So now this point I have to now cut it. Now I am going to draw 45-degree angle. What to do? Cut an arc at the point, this point, and where it is intersect 90-degree, no, that point put the bumpers at the center and cut this. Here it is. Now join this Q point and this point. You will get the 45-degree angle and join them. Properly join it. Now done. Got it? So this is our point R. So write it down. R. Here both of them are intersect. So now the thing is that the second question what they have told. This is the required triangle. So write it. Therefore, triangle PQR is the required triangle. Okay. Now what they have told? Measure the, what kind of triangle is this? Before that, measure the third angle. So that angle I am going to measure. Okay, so I need a compass. So rotate it. Put it here in proper place and measure it. You can see it is passes through this 90-degree. Can you see that? It passes through there. This is the point. This and this point. P point. There it is. I have joined actually this one. Can you see? Check. It is 90-degree, no? So measure of the third angle is what? 90-degree. So write it down over there. Therefore, measure of the third angle, that is angle R, equals to 90-degree. So what kind of triangle is this? Therefore, it is a right triangle. Right triangle. Okay, so this is the part 2 question, this is part 3 question, and the construction is part 1. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you all understood. So if you understood now, please, I need a like. Please do like in the comment box.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel. तब तक के लिए take care and goodbye.